welcome back to Rashu's Eco Creation. At the demand of students, I am forced to do this video. Well, I just want to teach the children how to do quilling. Definitely quilling has specific tools, but since I'm an eco-friendly teacher, I wouldn't want the children to buy anything ready-made. So I would want them to also make the strips and the quilling with the comb. All you need is one comb, okay, a piece of paper, okay, glue, scissors and a scale. Okay, make thin lines like 0.5 centimeters lines and cut down the strips. Cut the strips. Once you cut the strips, roll them on your comb like this. Put the strip inside, okay, and roll it out and put it into the second one. Then you have to put it into the third one, fourth. Continue till the complete strip is done. Once that is done, you would have something like this. Till the last, you have to complete it, and then you have to paste the last one just before you remove the petal. You remove it and you get a piece like this. You see how it looks? And slowly remove it out of your comb, okay, and you press the front side, and here you are with your first petal. Okay, so you make around 7 petals and you can create a flower. Okay, only thing that you need to know is that you always, to create the flower, you have to join the flower from this pointed side, okay, and then create the flower. Okay, you also need the same way to use for the leaves. Once you do that, you can definitely change the shape of the petal. To put the bud, we have to press it down like this and change the shape into a heart, and we can put another piece like this so that it looks like a bud. Okay, and if you have old cords, you can, as a stem, you can use a cord, and in case you don't have a cord, you can even use your sketch pens. You can use the green color paper, and you can create many things as I have created. Okay, now this can be created as a birthday card or a greeting card or something like this. You can put it onto pots. You can do in different. This is also a second piece of art. You can also, I had asked the children to make a frame, so I had also used the frame. And the flowers definitely can be shaped into different varieties. Okay, as you can even put 2 pieces at once and make the flower like this. Okay, so all that you need to do is you need to join 2 pieces at once. Okay, and you can make all different kinds of flowers. Here are the roses. Okay, here is another different flower with 2 different colors, and this is how you do quilling with the things that is at home. You need not buy anything. Okay, it can be anything. Art can be created from home. You need not waste money to buy anything from outside. So if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.